Coinbase Wallet Review. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a brief journey into Coinbase and we're going to be talking about its crypto wallet. Now, what is Coinbase Wallet, what it does, and how will it help you when you're working through the cryptocurrency exchange that you usually work on? So, we're going to be talking about it all in great depth and detail, and I'm going to be giving you a lot of reasons on why you should choose Coinbase Wallet as your very own personal wallet. All right. So, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and coming to coinbase.com/wallet. Now, over here, let's go over to the overview and basics. So, it's your key to the world of crypto where you can store and manage all of your crypto NFTs and multiple wallets in one place. You have support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and all Ethereum compatible networks. Explore thousands of tokens in dApps on your phone or browser. Protect your digital assets with industry leading security. Now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and every ERC20 from Aave to ZRX is present. Your wallet, keys, and crypto is safe, where Coinbase Wallet is a self custody crypto wallet. You can explore the decentralized web with confidence, do more with NFTs, and the easiest way to get from cash to crypto. So that is what Coinbase Wallet actually brings us. Now, when it comes to the security of the wallet and all of the other overviews that go through with the Coinbase Wallet, basically, we're going to learn all of that by using the wallet itself. So to use it for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come down here where it says download Coinbase Wallet. Now, there are four ways you can use Coinbase Wallet. You have iOS, Android, web, and Chrome. So you can use it on your mobile devices and you can use it on your web browsers as an extension. So we're going to go on Get Started on web and click on Get Started. Now, once we do that, as you can see, Coinbase Wallet is going to open up right here for you. So this is your Coinbase Wallet logging you in. So to create a wallet for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come right up here where it says create a wallet. You're going to click on that. And now your smart wallet is going to start to load up. So it says connect to Coinbase Wallet and more apps. You can go ahead and set yourself up right away. So simply click on create a wallet. It might ask you some security questions. So just go ahead and continue the setup with everything. Now, in the case it asks you to insert some type of security key into your portal, or it asks you to add any other way of secure verification, you can simply create a passkey for yourself by signing up. So I'm going to click on create passkey. Now, to create the passkey, again, you do need the security key. So without that, you won't be able to do it. And you can do it in any other way by turning on Windows Hello. So Windows Hello will be turned on through settings in Windows, selecting accounts, sign-in options, choose a sign-in option, select setup, and you can pretty much easily select a Hello option. Now, not only can you create a wallet, but you can also connect a wallet for yourself. So you could have some existing wallets like Coinbase, Trust Wallet, MetaMask. So you can connect those wallets with your Coinbase and start off right away, or you can simply sign up with their main account. Again, simply make sure to create a passkey for yourself, selecting through your iPhone, iPad, Android, or Windows Hello. Now, basically, once you have created your wallet, there's a lot of things you can do from there. Now, not only can you start working on your NFTs, but you can also go ahead and, scour through different multi cryptocurrency blockchains that you can find. Now, where does Coinbase Wallet actually shine? Selection is the main part. Coinbase Wallet can store a huge number of digital assets on it. Its website says that the wallet supports thousands of coins, including all of the ERC20 tokens built on Ethereum. It also gives you Web3 functionality with all of its features, where Coinbase Wallet allows users to buy, trade, and earn rewards on cryptocurrency and NFTs without having to leave their assets in the custody of a centralized exchange. You can also get a conversion to cold storage, where Coinbase Wallet has a partnership with Hardware Wallet Ledger to help users easily transfer assets to offline storage. Now, where does Coinbase Wallet fall short? you get not fully open sources. So Coinbase Wallet has an open source protocol that develops and developers can use to write applications to work with it. But the overall software is not open source. Some users may prefer wallet software to be fully open source so they can test the security of the code without putting trust in the wallet's developer. Now, what is Coinbase Wallet best for? First of all, it's NFTs. The minting and staking of NFTs is out of this world. Then we move over to selection, as I told you previously. The integrations for Coinbase Wallet are incredible as well because it supports thousands of digital assets, including NFTs. It also has features that includes purchases, swaps, and staking directly from the wallet. The storage on Coinbase Wallet is a hot wallet, so it can convert to dedicated offline storage devices such as ledgers and a whole lot more. Now, basically, to go into even more detail, to dive into something deeper, we're also going to discuss if Coinbase Wallet is, actually the right lead for you. Now, Coinbase Wallet, as you can see, is extremely user friendly. It has a very good user interface, and the overall features that it provides you are absolutely impressive. You can also go over to the Learn Overview section where they're going to give you an exploring on-chain confidentiality. So over here, you can see how to buy an NFT on Coinbase, art collector's guide, beginner's guide to dApps, getting started with Coinbase on your phone, getting started with it on extensions, avoid NFT scams, how to buy an NFT, and so on. So it goes on and on about all of the features that it provides you. And it also shows you how to use its DeFi, which is decentral financing, DEX, which is decentral exchange, and also shows you how to use its dApp browsers. Now, having all of these things compiled, you can actually see how good of a software it really is, all right? So, other details that you should know about Coinbase are first of all, its pricing. Now, Coinbase Wallet is absolutely free to use, but it's important to understand network transactions that you do will fee in cryptocurrency and how they work when using any digital wallet that you have. You also might some legal issues when it comes to Coinbase Wallet. Now, Coinbase Wallet was a part of a legal complaint against Coinbase by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The agency argues that some transactions carried out using the wallet app involve unregistered securities, an allegation Coinbase rightfully denies. Now, on a final verdict, is Coinbase Wallet right for you? Now, if you're looking to store a wide variety of cryptocurrencies with easy access to exchanges and the decentralized finance ecosystem, Coinbase Wallet would be the perfect option for you. So, obviously, do go ahead and use it a bit for yourself after watching this video. Like, don't solely take all of my word for it. Go ahead, use it, create your account on it, mint some NFTs, some cheap NFTs. Don't go with a huge purchase right at the beginning. Do make sure to go slow when you're using Coinbase Wallet just to see if it suits you and if it suits your working needs when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. So, if you want to use DeFi liquidity pools, if you want to discover unique and trending mints and NFTs, and if you want to simply go ahead and fund your Coinbase wallet in the easiest way, then do make sure to go ahead and use it and let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. So basically, that's the main idea of Coinbase and its wallet. Now, it's a pretty good overall wallet with a few cons around it, so do go ahead and discover it for yourself and see if those cons are a big disadvantage to you. But yeah, generally, that's the main idea of all of it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.